guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here and I am back for a new episode on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. So for today's video, I thought we would be talking about a crystal. So for today, I have chosen the beautiful agate. So this is a beautiful banded agate. So what are we going to do today? Just as a little quick summary, we'll be obviously talking about the quick brief information about agate, so you know, the zodiac signs, the emotional healing aspect, crystal healing, as we said, the zodiac, the chakras, and a few little bit of information related to what would usually be agate known for and what does it symbolize and how you can use it if you're into crystals. So let's start from the very beginning. Here we have a beautiful banded agate, as you can see. So banded agate would be considered as a type of chalcedony. If we're talking in gemology terms, that's what it is. And usually the colors would be more so neutral, earthy tones. That would be the natural colors of agate. You can also find a lot of agate on the market that would be, for example, bright blue, bright purple, bright pink, you know. But it's very important for you to know that these ones are dyed, they are treated. This is not the way agate normally would form or appear. We do have some exceptions though, in the case of pink Botswana agate, which has a beautiful light orangey and light pink tones, but it's very light. It's nothing punchy, nothing too bright, but this would be the traditional, the classic beautiful banded agate that we all know. So in terms of zodiac stones, zodiac signs, that would be more so Capricorn, Aquarius, and Gemini. That would be associated with the agate. Now you're gonna tell me, yeah, but what about blue lace agate? What about crazy lace agate? You know, what about black agate? There's so many out there. There's different varieties of agate. But for today's video, we will be mainly focusing on the classic, simple banded agate. And if you guys want me to do more videos about agate, maybe different varieties, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll be sure to make some for you. In terms of emotional healing, so in terms of its properties and meaning, what would be agate known for? You might be asking me. Well, it's very simple. It's nicknamed the earth rainbow because of all those beautiful patterns and concentric bands around it in different shades and tones, which makes it a stone that's very popular for healing the mind, body, and spirit. It's also nicknamed the stone of infinite hope and possibilities, which I think is so nice. And it's said to help with balancing negative emotions or negative blocks, if you have any, which obviously we all have lots of. So definitely a stone I'd recommend for everybody. Yeah, it's associated with good luck, wealth, calm. It's associated with good luck because you have that eye formation. That formation is considered to be both lucky and protective in many different cultures. And yeah, so it's also a stone that's said to help us to increase concentration, honesty, memory, all those sort of things. And it's definitely one of the most ancient stones in the world, I would say. It's used by many different cultures, you know, since the beginning of times. And it's said to be very, you know, yeah, protective of a person. I'll show you a different one. So you can see here, you see that's the eye formation I was talking about. That's considered to be very lucky and protective in many different cultures. And yeah, it's like it balances, it's, people used to believe it would balance the aura, that it helps your inner spiritual energies in many ways. And yeah, that would be just to show you a close up. It's really, really nice. Beautiful different patterns and colors. I have more. I'll show you another one. Now, as I was going to show you an example of this one that would have been treated. You can see here, like these would not be natural natural colors. You know, you'd have to treat the agate to achieve these sort of bright colors. But still, the stone is natural, and that's something that's very important to mention. Even though it's treated, the stone is indeed natural, you know. And yeah, agate is beautiful in the sense that I really like it because it reminds us the importance of stopping the feeling for what we don't actually need, and reminding us that, you know, indulgence is not the right place to be. You know, don't let that get over you and take control over you. And I'll just show you another one just so you can have an idea. Another beautiful one here. You can see you have different shapes, colors, and patterns. And another thing I really like about it is that banded agate suggests practical solutions rather than dwelling on the reasons for a situation or assigning blame to something. And I think there's so much more we can learn about it thanks to this beautiful stone. Definitely something we need to try, all of us, to focus on. So in terms of chakras, I'm going to go back to my beautiful earth rainbow here. So it will be root and sacral. So root will be obviously, you know, as we said, grounding and protective, but also sacral because, you know, you have also a bit of that beautiful yeah, creative energy and that sense of yeah, really, you know, hope and possibilities and infinite opportunities that resonate with agate as well. So yeah, that would be it for agate, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, you know, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about agate. Is it a stone that you have? Is it a stone that you're attracted to? Would you like me to do other types of agate? For example, blue lace is my personal favorite. We also have the beautiful crazy lace. There's so much more out there. So let me know in the comment section what you think, guys. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done it already. And the ebook is still work in progress. So as soon as it's released, sorry, I will be sure to let everyone know that has subscribed to the VIP club on the website jewelsandgems.shop. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.